How to fix Etsy shop suspended unexpectedly. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply check your email for a reason. What you can do is look for notices regarding your intellectual property, IP claims, billing issues, or identity verification. So after doing that, now you can verify your identity and bank account too. What you can actually do is simply log in and ensure that the seller ID verification and paid bank links are completed. And after doing all of that, I'm pretty sure it will be fixed. But if not, then you can try to pay the outstanding fees too. Pay any sort of unpaid shop fees immediately if you do have that remaining. And after doing all of that, you can try to file an appeal too. You can actually get into the help center. What you can do is get into the account settings. Then from there, you'll actually be able to get their help here, and then you can try to get to the help center of Etsy, and then you can file an appeal, navigate to filing an appeal for a suspended account, and like that you'll be able to fix your Etsy shop suspended unexpectedly.